How to download and install mods on Minecraft. For Windows, navigate to the official website of Minecraft, that is Forge. Download the recommended version. Save and run the downloaded .jar file. Click on OK to install Forge. Return to your Minecraft launcher and check if Forge is available. Go to C Drive, then Users, then type your username. Tap on App Data, then Roaming, then Minecraft. Create a folder named Mods and save all your downloaded mods in this folder. Go to CurseForge, go to Minecraft, download the Minecraft mods you like after checking their version. Check the compatibility of the mods with your version of Minecraft. Activate your Forge account to run Minecraft. Go to the Installation tab from the right menu. Hover over your Forge installation and press play to install the mods. Disclaimer: if incompatible, Minecraft mods may disrupt the progress of your game. Ensure to back up your original world before adding mods to it. Tap on Edit in the bottom left corner. Choose the Make Backup option to let the game transfer files. For Mac, navigate to Forge. Download the recommended version. Save and run the downloaded .jar file. Click on OK to install Forge. Return to your Minecraft launcher and check if Forge is available. Then go to Library, Application Support, Minecraft. Create a new folder named Mods in this location directory. Go to CurseForge, go to Minecraft, download the Minecraft mods you like after checking their version. Check the compatibility of the mods with your version of Minecraft. Activate your Forge account to run Minecraft. Go to the Installations tab from the right menu. Hover over your Forge installation and press play to install the mods. Be aware of dependency mods, they require other mods to be installed to function smoothly. While often listed within the mod description, it can also be found under the Relations tab on top of the page. For Xbox and PlayStation consoles, launch Minecraft on your Xbox or PlayStation. Select Marketplace from the main menu. Tap on the pack of your choice: Skin, Mashup, World, or Texture Pack. Purchase the add-on with Minecoins or a credit card. For Android, visit the Google Play Store to install Block Launcher. Based on your device, follow the installation instructions from the app. Go back to Google Play Store. Download mods for Minecraft PE. Select the search function to navigate through the mods to choose from. Click on Install after choosing the mod. It will automatically sync with the selected game. For iOS, go to the App Store. Search for add-ons for Minecraft. Download the app. Follow the instructions displayed to install the add-ons. Common issues modding players may face. Error 1: this server has mods that require FML/Forge to be installed on the client. Solution: if a player attempts to join the server via the vanilla version by mistake, this error will appear. To confirm, check the Mods tab from the main menu. Return to the launcher to ensure the loading of the Forge installation of the game. After the game loads correctly, join the server again. Error 2: Minecraft crash on startup. Solution: if any of the mod files contains an issue, Minecraft may often crash. Make sure to check if all mods in Forge are running beside the same game version and even verify for dependency mods. If the issue continues, investigate the error message and follow the information. Reboot the game after this for a smooth launch. Error 3: when joining the server, facing mod rejection error. Solution: the server is running mods that are not installed on your client. Inspect if all the installed mods on the server exist in the game as well. Click on the Mods tab from the main menu and reconfirm the working condition of the same. Restart the game after this. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.